It's another week, and we're still on the hunt for the PS5 and the Xbox Series X or S. And I got everything that I know about this week coming at you right now. What's good, YouTube? Today is Sunday, so we're talking tech, PS5 and Xbox Series X or S this coming week. Smash that like button, comment down below. Let me know, who do you think is the best retailer for the PS5 and Xbox Series X or S so far? And subscribe if you're brand new. I am posting a video every single day this year, from tech news to video game tutorials. Hit that subscribe button with the post notification bell so you don't miss out on all the goodness that I have for you this year. Don't forget, 30% off all merchandise in the merch store when you follow the link in the description and use the code BLOWUP. Cold as Water is giving you 10% off when you use the code DUBS10 following the link down in the description. And let's not forget eWin Racing Gaming Chairs. They're giving you 30% off when you use the code DUBS on their website following the link in the description. First off, the highest retailer on my list this week is Ant Online. They are confirmed 100% that they will have Xbox and PS5s every single week. So this week is no different, and Ant Online is the highest on my list. Let's talk a little bit about their bundles, and let's talk about their delivery service. First of all, Ant Online is only doing bundles. Don't get me wrong, I know some of you are like, oh, I hate the bundles, I wish they would just do the solo console. Well, some of these retailer companies, they need to make money as well, so they put all of these items together at MSRP, especially Ant Online. They do not try to hike the price on you. They put everything together MSRP, and once you buy it, it ships pretty much the same day. Ant Online is by far one of the best retailers for the next gen console. If you are in the market for the PS5 and Xbox, you have to make sure you are watching their Twitter and follow the link to their webpage as soon as the tweet goes out. They are reputable, they are fast, they are amazing. Ant Online is definitely the place you need to watch for Xbox Series S, X, and PS5 bundles this week. It is guaranteed that they will drop. Second on my list this week is Target, because apparently when Target dropped last week, it was a phantom drop. There was a minimal amount of consoles released last week, and according to Jake Randall, the system actually crashed and they weren't able to sell off all of their merchandise of the PS5. Be aware of Target this week. Follow the Twitterverse for any up-to-the-minute alerts from any of the next-gen Avengers. And don't forget to go to your local Target and check and see if they have stock in your store. All you have to do is scan the PS5 or Xbox barcode at one of those barcode scanner places, and it'll tell you if you have any stock at your store. The third place that's on my list for this week's possible drops is PS Direct. PS Direct dropped last week, very small windows, but they did drop, and they've been consistently dropping the past couple of weeks. So they're third on my list to drop, though there's no time nor date confirmed. We're just gonna watch out for that website just like we always do. And of course, make sure you're following Twitter for the alert for when the queue goes live. PlayStation Direct usually drops later on in the week around 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure that you're watching out on the Twitterverse for that PS Direct alert. Fourth on my list is Meijer. Now, the reason that it's fourth is because Meijer is not a nationwide store. Its only locale is the Midwest. So if you are in the Midwest or close to the Midwest, Meijer is actually doing walk-ins for the PS5 bundles, and you can go into the store, pick it up, get on up out of there with a PS5. You just gotta be watching their alerts that they post on their website to let you know when to come into the store to purchase a PS5. And on this list at number 5 are some big retailers and some small retailers, because they're so sporadic in when they drop. Speaking of which, Best Buy dropped last week, So I don't see Best Buy dropping again this week, but I could totally be wrong. And if they do drop, I expect them to drop later on in the week. Walmart hasn't dropped for a couple of weeks, so they could potentially drop this week. And you know Walmart's time is always 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, considering what we've seen from Walmart in the past. Amazon is always sporadic. Amazon will go live in other countries first and then come back to the US after they visited the France, the Parises, the Italys of the world. Then they'll come to the United States. So keep a close eye out on Amazon. They like to drop early in the morning. Definitely want to mention the membership retailers of the United States, the Costco, the Sam's Club, the BJ's. All of those retailers are very sporadic and they always drop without any announcement. So you definitely want to watch out for them this week. Costco dropped the Xbox last week. They could come back and drop the PS5 this week. Sam's Club haven't dropped in a couple of weeks, so watch out for them. And BJ's Wholesale, you have to also watch out for them, albeit that they drop very sporadically and very few in number, but definitely watch out for those membership places as well. And we cannot forget about GameStop. GameStop will announce when they're going to drop more bundles, but they haven't dropped anything in a while, so I'm definitely keeping a close eye out for them. All in all, you need to watch Twitter. That's literally the best thing. The only thing you have to do at some point is watch Twitter and follow the great people that I have down in the description, because once something pops off, they will be the first ones to notify you when that drop is available. So get on top of Twitter if you are still in the market for PS5 and Xbox. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what it was. It's your boy Dubs, CP, here to do one thing and one thing only, and that's blow up! Good luck on all the hunting this week. I hope you are finally able to secure, and I hope this video helps you just a little bit, just to give you an awareness of where to look for. Thank you, love y'all, and y'all already know. Deuces.